So right here is the little town of Land O'Lakes. So we're gonna go left here real quick. I'm gonna show you this. So see this right here? This is Michigan, right there. So we're gonna go ahead and do this. Oh, and look at that. Those of you who've never been to Michigan, I just popped your little Michigan cherry right there. That just happened. So we're not gonna go any further down there. This trip anyway, I wouldn't mind taking you all down, or up, I guess it would be, to Bond Falls, but we're losing light. We'll do it another time. So if you do come up into this area and you want to go into Michigan, just keep in mind there's a separate trail pass for going into Michigan. So you're going to want to go to, I believe, BP in town here sells trail passes. I'm trying to think who else. I want to say the Tackle Box. At least they used to. You're going to want to call in. Here, we'll follow this trail back to our parking area. You're going to want to call ahead anyway if you think you're going to go into Michigan. Like I say, I'm pretty sure BP still does it. I think Tackle Box does it.